Hey guys, today we're bringing back a legend from extinction, but with a serious glow-up. We're printing this hyper-detailed T-Rex skull on the Bamboo Labs X1C. I'm running this out of gorgeous rose gold PLA. This X1 carbon is absolutely screaming right now. Rawr. Total print time is just about 4 hours. For this level of detail, that's absolutely insane. Check it out, first try, 0 failures. It printed absolutely perfectly. Look at that shimmer. This definitely isn't your average museum fossil. Let me know what I should print in this filament next. See ya!